All right, so today's Monday. All right, we're doing homework number 61. I gotta tell you, I just had this random thought in my head. I really enjoy doing these sort of ratio table homeworks. Okay, I don't know why. I quite enjoy it. All right, and I hope you do too. All right, so let's see. At a local print shop, 16 copies can be made. Now, this is the table, right? That's the ratio table, right? 16 copies can be made for $4, right? 16 copies made for $4. At this rate, how much would it cost to make 96 copies? So you notice how this is a proportion word problem. Think of it like that. All right. Copies to copies, dollars to dollars. So in other words, you have to line up your categories, your units. Think of it like that. Okay. So now the question here is then, right? Like, how do we go from 16 to 96? Well, you multiply, right? How much do you multiply by? So 16 times what gives you 96? Think about that. All right, let's see. Is it 4? No, 4 times 16 is 64. 6, right? Times 6. Yep. Interesting. You could have just put a number in there. All right, that's it. So how much would it cost to make 96 copies? So 96 copies, how much? Yeah, $24. Okay. So I don't think I need to do another one of these with you guys because you're going to get more practice tomorrow. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's the first category, the first type of questions you're going to do for homework, and then proportional reasoning. Let's set this up. Now, Camden, interesting name, drove. Now, what are we comparing here? Right? Remember in class, I always tell you, you have to write down the units, miles to hours. So miles to hours, right? So let's set it up. 320 miles in 8 hours. How many miles in 7 hours? Okay, and like in class, all right. I think by now, hopefully, I'll let you use a calculator already. So that's 7 times 320. All right, just to the sake of speed, use my calculator. Was 7 times 320? 2240. Right, 8 times x is 8x. 8 times what gives you 2240? We'll divide 280. All right, okay, let me put that in. Again, I have to assume that we've done so much practice in class, so we don't need to, we don't need to spend too much time doing this. Okay, all right, and I think that's it. That's all the homework for tonight. Yeah, all right. So thanks for watching. Have a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. Okay, all right. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.